Hello, puzzlers! Welcome back to Garb Studio. Today, let's test your general knowledge. We'll throw down 20 questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Number 1. What is the tallest mountain in the world?
The answer is Mount Everest.
Number 2. What is the largest ocean on Earth?
The answer is Pacific Ocean.
Number 3. What is the chemical symbol for water?
The answer is H2O.
Number 4. What is the capital of France?
The answer is Paris.
Number 5. How many planets are in our solar system?
The answer is 8. As of 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet.
Number 6. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
The answer is Leonardo da Vinci.
Number 7. What is the currency of Japan?
The answer is Japanese yen.
Number 8. What is the longest river in the world?
The answer is Nile River.
Number 9. What is the name of the world's driest desert?
The answer is Atacama Desert.
Number 10. What is the largest living land animal?
The answer is African bush elephant.
Number 11. What is the name of the first person to walk on the moon?
The answer is Neil Armstrong.
Number 12. In which year did World War II begin?
The answer is in 1939.
Number 13. What is the capital of Canada?
The answer is Ottawa.
Number 14. How many bones are there in the human adult body?
The answer is approximately 206 are there.
Number 15. What is the name of the world's largest rainforest?
The answer is Amazon rainforest.
Number 16. What is the chemical element with the atomic number 1?
The answer is hydrogen.
Number 17. What is the capital of Australia?
The answer is Canberra.
Number 18. What is the name of the largest continent on Earth?
The answer is Asia.
Number 19. What is the name of the world's tallest building?
The answer is Burj Khalifa in Dubai as of June 2024.
Number 20. What is the name of the largest search engine in the world?
The answer is Google.
Thank you for flexing your brain muscles with me. Did you manage to answer all the questions? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more brain teasers. Leave a comment with your trickiest question.